Well, welcome to my channel, Truly Bianca. In today's video, I'll be giving you guys an unboxing of Mielleorganics. So I want to say a month ago, I got tired of wearing my straight hair. For so long, I had to put heat in my hair with a blow dryer, pressing comb, flat iron, all of the above. And then I told myself, I miss wearing my curls, my natural juicy curls. I love it. I just feel like my natural self is my best self, honestly. So I went on YouTube one night and I was like looking up organic products and I came across Mielle. So this is the box with the logo on it, and I've been told that there are a lot of organic ingredients in these products. And special shout out to the CEO, Monique Rodriguez, for creating these products for natural hair textures and even straight hair as well. I just found out they have a new collection come out with an avocado ingredient to it, so that was pretty good. But I went on the website one day and I took a hair quiz. Now the hair quiz I feel like is very essential because when you take the hair quiz, it asks you questions about your natural curls, and at the end of the quiz it gives you recommended products with natural ingredients for your hair type. I believe I'm a 3C or a 3B for my hair type, and I came across the products. Once I ordered the products, I'm like, okay, I told myself I want to start becoming more consistent with wearing my natural hair. So twists, braids, just wear my hair down with my natural curls. And right now I don't have the products in my hair. I have sheer moisture in my hair right now. I twisted my hair all over, took my twist out, and this is what my hair looks like. Now last night I didn't sleep with the bonnet on, so as you can see it is a little frizzy, but that's okay. I'm switching over to Mielle. Now both products I've heard really good things about it, and there's nothing wrong with adventuring out into new products because it is a journey. You may find products that work for you, you may find products that do not work for you. So I decided to take the leap of faith and buy Mielleorganics. So the first thing that I want to show you guys would be the detangling brush. And this is very important for natural hair. I feel like this is like one of the best brushes ever. This one comes in pink, of course. I believe this is like the only color that it comes in, but it comes in pink. This is actually my favorite color, so that actually works. When you comb your hair, you're not supposed to start from the top down. No, as you can see, it changed my curl pattern, but it's okay. I'm doing this for show. But most importantly, you're supposed to start from the ends and work your way up. So let me give you guys, I never used this brush. Well, I have, but it's been a minute. So I'm going to use it on my hair today, but you start from the ends, brush that part, and then work your way up. Work your way up to the roots, or however you want to do it. I'm going to do all the way up, and it just goes through my hair really good. Like, look at that. And I'm going to try this little piece too. Okay, yeah, I love this brush. I really do. This is very important for your natural hair. But that was just an example of how to use this brush, or just any brush in general. You start from the ends, work your way up. If you want to leave it, with your shrinkage, you can. That's your preference. But for me, when I, brush my hair, I always make sure I start from the ends and then work my way up to the roots. So it doesn't look that bad. I mean, my curl pattern is different. It's more shrinkage in the back than it is right here. But if your hair is like mine, then this will be like the end result of that. But I love this brush as well. So you need this brush most definitely. And then also I will put the prices of each of the products in the bio, just so you guys know. And then next we're going to go in with our shampoo and conditioner. Now for my hair type, 3C or 3B, I need moisture. I want to focus on moisture and my hair growth as well. My curls sometimes can lack in moisture. It feels dry, it looks dry and frizzy, and I do not like that at all. So my results came out with Mielle Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing and Anti-Breakage Shampoo and the conditioner. So this is what the bottle looks like. It's in this pretty aqua blue. I love the color scheme as well. And let me make sure I smell these products. It's really good when you can find a good product with good ingredients, but can also smell good, make your hair smell good as well. So let me smell it. Oh, that smells really good. Really good. Oh, and it's infused with avocado and ginger to hydrate your curls. And most importantly, it's sulfate free. Make sure you get sulfate free. You do not want that in your hair. So it smells really good. I can most definitely smell the ginger. I can smell the avocado as well, just a little bit. But up close, this is what it looks like up close, like the texture of it. It's like a really smooth, thick jelly type of texture. So I really like that as well. And let me close this out, I won't make a mess. And then I could read the directions for you guys. So it says apply moisturizing and anti-breakage shampoo to wet hair, massage into rich lather, and rinse. For best results, shampoo twice. Follow up with our Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing and Anti-Breakage Conditioner, which happens to be this one. Now, another important fact I want to show you guys. So this is conditioner as well, and so both of these are conditioners. Now, the huge difference between this one and this one, as you can see, this one comes in like a tall bottle. This one comes like in a little jar. But for this one, for the directions, it says apply to hair for working ends to the roots. Allow conditioner to stay in your hair overnight. Apply shower cap for added protection. Rinse conditioner in the morning prior to shampooing. So it gives you options, and I love that. If I just want to leave the products in my hair, I will use this one and take it out in the morning. If I want to take my product out of my hair the same day, I will use this conditioner. So both are conditioners. The only difference is that you can leave this one in at night and take it out in the morning, and then for this one, you take it out the same day you wash your hair, so after the shampoo. So step 1 be shampoo, step 2 be your conditioner. Either you can leave this in overnight or you could wash it out the same day. So very important fact that I want to get into. And then next, so technically step 3, we're gonna have our moisturizing leave-in conditioner. So like I said, it's the same ingredients as the shampoo and the conditioner, and for the leave-in conditioner it's the same. For the directions, it says apply a generous amount to section hair, work product through your favorite detangling tool. So I have this, or if you can use your fingers. However you do it, that's fine. And it says do not rinse, leave it in. As I say, moisturizing leave-in conditioner. This is a conditioner that you leave in your hair for as many days, and then this one you take it out the next day after you shampoo your hair. So make sure you pay attention to the bottle and read what it says, because you do not want, the product to stay in your hair for more than it should. And then next I want to get into the avocado moisturizing hair milk. This is what the bottle looks like. It's pink, it's yellow, and it's for all hair types, which is really good. So it doesn't matter what hair type, if you have the same hair type as me, or more thicker hair type, or more thin hair type, then this product can be for you too. So it says all hair types, which I really love, because hey, shoot, everybody can use a moisturizing milk. And then for the directions for this bottle, it says use as daily moisturizer to hydrate hair. Apply a small amount to cover hair strands when damp or dry. And also, it can be used as a seal ends and refresh curls for added moisture, used in combination with our white peony leave-in conditioner. Now, I did not get the white peony leave-in conditioner. I might in the future, but right now I could just apply this to my hair, wet or dry, and then I can use my detangling brush as well. So you have options, and I really love that about this brand. You have options, it's very versatile, and you can do what works best for you in convenience. And then I have the Brazilian curly cocktail curl cream. It says for dry and curly hair types. So this is what it looks like. And yep, it's for all hair types, and it's in this pink bottle. And then for the directions for this bottle, it says after hair has been cleaned and is damp, divide into sections, how many sections that you want. So most of the time I do about a good 4 sections, 2 and 2, or I'll do maybe 6, 3 and 3. Like I said, what works best for you. Most definitely pay attention to that. But it says apply a liberal amount of the Mielle Brazilian curl cream to hair, combing or fingering through the root to ends. Immediately follow the same section of hair with the Mielle Brazilian cocktail mousse. And I did not get that as well. It says follow the same pattern in each section of the hair until completely done. Style your hair as desired. So whatever style you choose for the day, you can use this for your curls. So I really like that. And then let me smell this one as well. So this one, I mean, it doesn't smell like, you know, the Hawaiian ginger. It doesn't have like a actual, like, you know, scent, you know, pleasant scent, but it doesn't smell bad, but it doesn't smell good. But as long as my shampoo and conditioner and my leave-in conditioner smells really good, I don't care. But it's just, you know, curling cream. It's, you know, I like it. I like the how easy that the directions can be for it. And then I really do need a curling cream so my curls can be looking pretty and popping. Gotta have that. And then last but not least, I've been hearing so many good things about this particular oil. All the videos that I've watched, and even on the website, it's like, I believe, like one of the best sellers actually. So it's the Mielle Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil infused with biotin and encourage hair growth. And it's also used for daily use, scalp treatment, and split end care. This is really like magic in a little bottle, and I cannot wait to try it out. So thank you so much, Miss Rodriguez, for making this lovely product. Well, these lovely products as well, and I cannot wait to try it. But for the directions for this bottle, it says section hair into 4 parts, exposing scalp. Apply a small amount to oil to scalp. Massage oil in with fingers and comb through ends of hair. Leave in and style as desired. For daily use, apply a small amount to scalp and comb through ends. For split end care, apply oil to ends of hair. Place a plastic cap on the head and leave it for 10 minutes. Rinse and proceed with shampooing. I love it. So yeah, it most definitely improves length retention, conditions dry scalp, smooths split ends. This is what I need. 2 years ago, I was stressed out in school and my hair was coming out and it began to look thin, and I did not like that at all. I tried changing my diet, so that did help. But as far as like putting products in my hair, I was like struggling to find like a product that worked for me, worked for my hair type. So I'm so happy that I found Mielleorganics, and I cannot wait to try the products and give you guys the end result. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok account is Truly Bianca, and then my Instagram is yours truly _Bianca. And I cannot wait to give you guys so much new content and give you guys hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, vlogs, clothing hauls, and etc. But thank you so much for watching this video in particular. I've been waiting to give you guys this video, this beautiful content, and see you guys soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.